Libra working relationships with all zodiacs. Libra with Libra. As co-workers in a creative group, these two have value. But they will probably need a motivation unless one decides to direct the team and actually sticks to it long enough to see results. The chance of profitability here is doubtful, however, because this is a duo that would prefer to follow their own dreams or passions of the moment and not a business manager's. Libra with Scorpio. Scorpio is capitalism defined. Libra needs careful coaxing to even become involved in the capitalist race. Scorpio will simply have no time for someone she considers as commercially out of step as Libra. Libra offers the efficient, productive, and driven Scorpio nothing at all in a business relationship. Libra with Sagittarius. Chances are Libra won't even try to keep with the self-assured, individualistic Sagittarius. Libra will be her greatest fan and a worshipper, but otherwise she offers no commercial value to the Sagittarius. Sagittarius simply does not have the time to help what she will consider to be an ineffective personality. Libra needs understanding and guidance, not avoidance. Libra with Capricorn. Capricorn's managerial skills can make Libra's entrance into the pressure-filled commercial world possible if Libra is productive. Libra is a breed apart from the capitalist, career-oriented, profit-making Capricorn. However, her analytical skills can be profitable to the always-learning Capricorn. If Capricorn can temper her demanding, do-it-my-way nature, and she'll do almost anything to make money, and carefully manage Libra's skills in a productive way, this can be a productive pairing. However, it is not a natural relationship but one based solely on a Capricorn need, and if Libra doesn't produce it will be all over, except for Libra's bruises, which last a long time. Libra with Aquarius. Libra searches for balance and harmony. Aquarius pursues the future. These are opposites. Aquarius investigates, uncovers, changes, rearranges, and explores. Libra is trying to piece together the puzzle, putting it into a peaceful existence. This may be the original odd couple. In fact, Libra could suffer emotional bruises in this pairing. Aquarius is simply too frenetic and too revolutionary for the emotionally struggling Libra, who wants to be left alone in a calm and protected room. Libra with Pisces. The indecisive Libra and the indecisive Pisces are handily a productive duo. These two aren't really born for commercial world and, in fact, have constructed worlds of their own away from that harsh competitive arena. Their business skills just aren't strong enough to give them an advantage whether alone or together. They are emotionally and personally compatible, but they just aren't disciplined enough to be profitable. Libra with Aries. The fast-paced, aggressive Aries has very little time for the less active, dream-oriented Libra. We find virtually nothing in common between these two. In fact, it would pose a potential disaster for Libra to try and run in the fast lane with Aries. Libra with Taurus. The Taurus boss could use the creativity of a Libra employee, and the Taurus boss is patient with and understanding of the less disciplined and less task-oriented Libra personality. On the other hand, Libra will find comfortable but assertive guidance from Taurus. But Libra will have to produce eventually, or Taurus will call a quick end to it. Taurus requires profits at some point. If Libra can deliver, this is about the best commercial relationship she can find. Libra with Gemini. Libra wouldn't even get into the same race with Gemini. Nor would brilliant dynamic Gemini even appreciate the creative Libra dream world. These two will find nothing in common, nor offer anything to the other. These are two totally different personalities, with two totally different business attitudes. Libra with Cancer. Cancer and Libra can work very well together. Creatively talented, Their personalities also mesh and they will understand each other's vulnerability very well. With proper commercial guidance, the two should turn out profitable ideas. Don't expect electricity. And don't force them to move too fast. Just keep them on target and they should deliver. Libra with Leo. Although Libra's actual commercial value to Leo is suspect, Boss Leo may decide her employees' charm to be just a ticket to promote her operation and to keep her clients very happy. These are two great front women, and their good life personalities are wonderfully similar. There is no routine or detailed office work here, just the exciting big picture and the decidedly theatrical side of business. Libra with Virgo. Virgo will feel that Libra breaks every business rule in the book. She's lazy, late, and indecisive, and she wastes time. They will agree on neatness, but that's about it. Libra will drive the industrious efficient Virgo up the wall. There's nothing here but Virgo anger and frustration. Thanks for watching.